With the emoji I represent my experience here. I need to get my phone for this one. Okay, so just 1 second. Hello everyone, my name is Saed. I'm from Somalia. I studied at Britannia Language Center. Come with me, I will share with you my experience here. Hi
Hello, brother.
I'm doing good, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Hi guys, so now we are at the center. I just want to give you a quick brief of my experience here. First, I've been learning here for the past 7 months. A friend of mine suggested this place. I came here and everyone at the staff was really helpful. I met quite a lot of friends, which I'm grateful for. How has Britannia helped you grow as a person? I met a lot of international community, so I get to see the world through their eyes. I have to say that I'm a more empathetic person than I was before. It changed a lot about me, and I'm not the same person I was when I came here. Okay, what else? What have I learned about other cultures? I started learning a lot about Middle Eastern culture. I developed a taste for Turkish delights. Most importantly, one thing I really learned, and I'm glad that I've learned, is how to use chopsticks. So a lot of Chinese friends, they taught me how to use chopsticks and many other things. It says that if Britannia were a movie, what the title be? I would say outside your comfort zone. That's the name I will give to Britannia, because really like learning here puts you outside of your comfort zone, and most importantly, it pushes you from being comfortable speaking your mother tongue to speaking a whole different language. Morning or evening classes? Definitely morning classes. When it reaches 4 p.m., my energy goes down, so definitely morning classes. Group or individual task? I would say group tasks, because it helps me to interact with my friends and my classmates here. So, with the emoji I represent my experience here. I need to get my phone for this one. Okay, so just 1 second. That's the emoji I would use for my experience here.